On a bitter winter morning, when temperatures dropped below freezing, our rescue team received an urgent call about a small creature fighting for survival in the snow. Every step through the deep snow could mean the difference between life and death. Our rescuer had to move quickly but carefully to avoid startling the frightened pup. The little one was too weak to move, shivering uncontrollably. With gentle hands and soft words, our rescuer wrapped the puppy in a thermal blanket, beginning the journey back to safety. Back at the rescue center, our medical team worked tirelessly. Hour by hour, the puppy's strength returned, along with something even more precious: trust. 2 weeks later, our little survivor showed us the true meaning of resilience. From fighting for life in the bitter cold to becoming the playful, loving puppy they were always meant to be.